Hey there, fellow Bovada users. If you're here, you're probably dealing with the hassle of updating your phone number on the platform. Maybe you've switched to a new device, or you just want to keep your info fresh for security reasons. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. By the end, you'll have everything sorted out quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bovada account. Head over to the Bovada website or app and enter your username and password. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure you have your two-factor authentication ready if it's enabled. It adds an extra layer of security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner, represented by your profile icon or a drop-down menu. Click on that and look for the Settings or Personal Information tab. Here, you'll see all your account details, including your current phone number. Now, find the phone number field. It's probably listed under Contact Information. Click on it to edit. Type in your new phone number carefully, making sure it's accurate to avoid any verification issues later. Bovada might ask you to confirm the change or send a verification code to the new number for security purposes. If that's the case, check your phone for a text or call from Bovada and enter the code as prompted. After you've verified it, hit Save or Update to apply the changes. Double-check everything to ensure your new phone number is showing up correctly. That's it. You've successfully updated your info. One quick tip. Always keep your account details up to date to prevent any login problems or security risks. If you run into any glitches, Bovada's support team is there to help. Just check their help center or contact them directly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.